That's my white sofa.
It's okay. I'm using my FingerSpills. You don't have to worry about spilling on your clothes or your furniture. Just paint your nails, and any drips or spills are caught by the pad.
Oh, I feel so much better. How do you get those FingerSpills? Who makes those?
Well, it was actually developed by my mother-in-law and I, and it's for sale right now on our website, fingerspills.com and Amazon.
Oh, I love the design. Do you sell other designs?
I do. We have like 6 different designs, and they're so cute. You should check it out on our website, FingerSpills.
Oh, I'm going there right now. Thank you.